Welcome to the video. We're going to be looking through some old photos of various creatures and plants, mostly. All these are photos that my family has taken. And I've just picked out a few. There's a whole box of them. Let's see, there's a squirrel. We have a squirrel. Pop, pop, pop. There's a whole box of them that I kept when my family was trying to declutter. And they were getting rid. Here's another squirrel. It's the same squirrel, I think. It doesn't have a date on it, but I think it's the same squirrel. But they were trying to get rid of. And I just really liked these because they were so ambiguous and, well, they have potential for like a project, I think, but I just don't really know what yet. And I kind of just like looking at them because they're just little snapshots of like life, random things. These are birds eating seeds. But I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, except for what I'm doing with them now, which is showing them off in a video. This is some cobwebs. They're all so pretty. They're all on glossy paper, unfortunately, so it's going to be kind of hard avoiding a clear. But, yeah. So I'm just going to go through them and sort of describe them. This one, if you can see, my camera isn't of the best quality, but this one is like a forest through a window, but there's a cobweb that's out of focus that sort of makes it look like there's fog through the forest with the river. But it's a cobweb because there's another photo of where the cobweb's actually in focus, but I don't think I put that one here. Another cobweb. There's also a lot of photos of cats in here because I remember growing up and we would always bring in a lot of strays to get them spayed and neutered and just like checked out and stuff. But we would take in a lot of cats, and here's one. They're very cute. I remember loving that as a kid because I just loved animals, and I still do, but there's a bunch of kittens. They're so cute. A lot of these are kind of darker. I think I'm not quite sure who actually took all these, but I think whoever the person was that did take them was sort of still just getting used to like using a camera and figuring all of it out. So they were just, taking pictures of random things. It's another cat. Same picture, well, same cat, but different angle. It's so cute. You can see, oh my gosh, they're so shiny, you can see the camera. But that's a cute cat. We have a frog. Wow. And like I said, I have a whole box. This is just a small amount that I kind of just picked out. This one, a calico cat that we had. Very cute. Sort of like foam mattress it's laying on in an old wooden chair. Looks like an older cat. Some butterflies. Really pretty. I'm not sure what kind this is. But these dots look like eyes on its wings. which I think they used to sort of ward off predators, I think, because they look like eyes. It's a little bit intimidating. There's a flower. I think it might be a rose. It's white. It's completely in focus while the background is fuzzy and out of focus. Here's this, I think that's a daisy and a trumpet flower. Oh, pretty. I think there's a little like sweat bee on the yellow one, or some kind of beetle. But I laughed with this one. I don't remember if it was my last video or the video before that, but I was talking about yellow and blue coded characters, and that made me laugh, because that made me remember that, because it's yellow and blue together. There's another cat. There's so many of these cat pictures of different cats just chilling on a couch with, I don't know what type of pattern that is, but it's like a very intricate, intense pattern, I'd say. Red and brown and white and cream. I'm not sure what type of cat this is. I don't think it's a tabby. It might be a tabby cat, but it's just kind of striped and darker in color in most places, and then a few highlights of lighter brown. This I like how, I think they use the flash. I don't know if that's going to show up super well on this camera. Actually, I think it'd be better back here. But they use the flash on it, and I think that looks really cool. Looks like an album cover to me for music and stuff. And then we have another squirrel. That's so funny. They're stealing some bird seed. It's great. We have a cardinal. Almost called it a robin, whatever. Cardinal. Very pretty. I remember definitely bird watching a lot when we were younger. I think these are the same cats, same kittens from before, but here's another picture of them. They're very cute. Kind of just all lounging on a sofa. Another cat. Very cute. I almost feel like this is a... Oh no, that's not a bathroom. It kind of looked like a bathroom for a second. It's like a fuzzy orange and brown striped cat sleeping on a cushion. This is definitely linoleum floor, which I think made me think it was a bathroom, but I don't. Maybe it is a bathroom. I don't know. I don't remember really. Same, but kind of closer shot. And I think they're waking up a little bit. It's very cute. These two photos of this same cat kind of have like a orangey yellow tone over them. Probably just the lighting in that room. Squirrel with a tasteful lens flare right there. Very dramatic looking. I wonder if that was a light, maybe. Kind of like bokeh light or something. Is that squirrel? You know, this could all be the same squirrel that we were just really adamant about taking photos of. But here they are, eating some birdseed again. Their little paws. It is so cute. This is the same, just in there. Hanging out. Having a good time. Stealing the birdseed. some of these do have dates. This one was September 2000. Got a moose. I'm pretty sure these are taxidermy though. Because there's another one that goes with it. It's a raccoon. Just looks like a set. It's definitely taken on the same day. Same date and everything. It's funny. Here's a very dark photo, but I think it's of like a tree maybe sitting in water. This looks really sparkly up here. If you can see that, which makes me think it's maybe water. But yeah, and then this one's also in the 2000s. This was in August though. Or at least that's when they were printed. I'm not sure if the date is when the photo was taken or if when it was when it was printed. I'd assume it's when it was taken. Because why would you want to know when you printed it? But this is a waterfall. Really pretty. And then these are kind of the same picture, but it's like a snowy bush. This, I think they're just trying to get used to like the lighting to take more photos in that area. Some doubles of those. Here's this cat. This is so cute. This cat's sitting on like a little bench curled up on a folded up blanket, it looks like, and there's a sort of wreath-like thing in the background with lights on it. I'm guessing this is maybe around Christmas, maybe? Yeah, it looks like it. There they are looking out the window. Gazing out the window. It might be snowing out, actually. Here they are. This actually is a pillow that they're sitting on, all curled up. Now they're sitting up looking out the window. Very blurry photo. This was taken while running, most likely. Running from what, I'm not quite sure. But it's kind of cool looking. Even though I know it's not necessarily like a perfect photo, but this was also taken in August 2000, so maybe this is around where that waterfall was. But I also think this actually might be the same tree from that super dark photo. Though there isn't any water, so I think it might have actually just been light coming through the top of the trees right there. That was so sparkly. And then we have the cat again. Still hanging out, still curled up. Thriving in their lane. Another cat. This one's like under a little bag. At first I didn't really notice the cat in this one, but then I looked and I was like, oh. And there's that linoleum floor actually, so I think that's where the other cat was sitting on that cushion too. This one, they're staring us down, guys. This cat's staring us down right now. This was taken in April 2000. It's cute. Very regal looking. I do like that. They're looking at the window again. I wish I remembered all these cats' names, but I just don't. It's forever ago. I think this might be the last picture of that cat. And we have some, these are really, really pretty. There's actually a succession of these. This one I think just got separated from the bunch, but there's icicles. And they're just very, very sparkly. I don't know if any of these photos were like edited in post, but they just have like these really intense like diamond like sparkles on them. They're so pretty. I love them. Look. Little yellow flower. And this I really like. I'm not sure how this happened. It could be that the photo just didn't come out right, but I'll show you. There's a little figure right there. And I'm not sure if it's maybe this photo didn't come out right and it is of a person, or this was just a mess up photo. And what I've heard happens sometimes, like maybe they just took a picture and it was like of I don't know, like the inside of a jacket or something. It looks kind of fuzzy, so it makes me think of the inside of like a wool jacket. But what I've seen and heard happen sometimes is you can take like a mess up photo like this or any photo, and in the film the photo next to it can imprint onto like other photos, and it can leave behind something that's on the other photo. And I'm not sure if that happened here, but I think whatever happened, I like the effect. I think it looks cool. It looks really cool to me. I mean, heck, that actually could not. It just looks so much like a person. Like, it's really weird. But it could just be like a blurry photo taken while moving fast or accidentally moving. And this is just something that looks like a person but actually isn't. I don't know. It's very haunting looking to me, and I like it. And here's more of those icicle photos. See that like glare? The sun was definitely coming through them to make that happen. So pretty. Here's another one. Look at that. That's so cool. Like I don't know what I'm gonna use these for, but I just love them so much. Be kind of cool to put them on like a projector somehow and like do animations with them maybe. I don't know. Okay, love this cat. Same cat in the corner wearing glasses. Wearing some circular like old glasses. Spectacles. These are not glasses, these are spectacles. But it's just so cute and funny. Here's another photo. Yeah, I love cats. They're so like, they have such funny personalities. When was this taken? This is, okay, these are all April 2000. But look at the little kid. So funny. Oh, they look disgruntled for sure. I think the glasses fell off of them at this point. They're just chilling again. But yeah, these all look like they're around Christmas because of the wreath in the background. And it sort of seems like it was snowing outside. And this was April 2000. When was this taken? This is also April 2000. So it definitely was cold at least. More icicle photos. They look like stars, like the actual little gleaming bits of sunlight that go through them. The ice, it's just, it looks like stars. See, I think this has happened. Maybe. There's like a glare. Look at that. That's so pretty. I've never worked with like a camera with film before. At least I think these would be film, wouldn't they? Yeah. At that point, I think they would have been film. They could also be digital, but I'm actually not even sure if I could tell the difference, to be honest. But either way, I think for like the imprint thing to happen, it has to be film. For one photo to just accidentally imprint on another one inside the roll of film. I think that's what happens. And I feel like for like stuff like that to happen, I don't think it could be a digital camera. I don't think. I'm not sure, to be honest. These are orchids, I think. Some purple, pink, white orchids. There's that same rose, white rose. This is really pretty. It's a butterfly. That landed on, I'm not sure what that flower is, but it's very small and then kind of like a bushel at the end of a skinny stalk. They're like this bright kind of jewelry ruby red with a very very small tiny like feathery white feathery white and brown, and I guess that would be orangey yellow, drinking the nectar from the flowers. And we got some more icicles. There's a lot of pictures of these icicles, which is understandable because they're really pretty. They're so very pretty. This is, I think, is a butterfly. Picture of a butterfly on these green leaves with pinky flowers in the background. But this one looks all crinkly. So I think it just came out of its chrysalis. That's pretty. And we have a turtle. I don't know if you can see right there. I think that's a snapper, maybe. It's a big turtle. In a sort of swampy looking little lake. Pretty white trumpet flower with dewdrops. Little dewdrops. I'm sort of losing my voice. That's why I'm trying not to like, I guess, project it too much. I was gonna do this video as like a full like whisper like this, but my voice just naturally wants to go up. I don't know why. So I just ended up doing it like this, but I'm really trying not to strain my voice too much because I'm practicing a cover for a project I'm doing. And I've definitely overworked my voice too much. I can like feel it, and it kind of sucks. A little closed sunflower. But yeah, I'm trying to rest it, but it's really hard because I need to talk. I need to talk for these videos and for my day-to-day life. There's another close sunflower. I think it's the same one, just from a further distance. There's this tree. Just expansive roots above a shallow creek. It's pretty cool. Those types of trees, you can find so much living sort of like in between all of the exposed roots. It's really cool. You can find little hollows where raccoons live. There's a little white flower. It's a wild daisy, I think. It's more of like, I think, an exposed root system, different tree though, for sure. Oh, look at this cute. It's a small, younger tabby cat on a velvety couch. Floral pillows in the background, sort of. But curled up into the cutest little ball. Are you serious, bro? It's so cute. And there's a bunch of pictures of this cat. Cute. So cute. Legs kind of look like kangaroo legs right there. And this is, I think, one that just sort of got messed up. But I really like it kind of looks like sort of abstract modern art, sort of. This actually might be a picture, like a close-up picture of a painting, but I'm not quite sure, and there's no date or explanation on the back. So I don't know, it could be messed up film, it could be a close-up of some kind of painting. I guess we'll never know. But it's just two halves, one sort of a bright orangey color, and then the other half is a darker, really deep green, and where they meet, or I guess where they separate, it's like torn paper. It's kind of what it looks like. But I like it. It's, I don't know, I like it. I like the colors and the contrast. A nice little napping spot, some cream pillows, sort of matching blanket, and then wooden floor. I think this was a set for something that whoever took the photo was actually taking a picture of. They've got, I think this is a hibiscus maybe, but not fully opened yet. Maybe, I'm not sure, I don't think so. Because the actual leaves don't look like hibiscus leaves. I'm not quite sure what this flower is. Sort of remind me of a marigold a little bit, but marigolds don't typically come in that color, but it could be related. That's pretty. Marigolds are usually like they come in like oranges and deep velvety reds. They're not usually like a bright pink like that. There's this mysterious distant object. It was taken in December of '02. Very mysterious. Looks like some kind of winged creature, but I think it's just a statue. Here's this again. This is where the film just kind of takes over everything. It looks a little bit like it got burnt, but I think this is a picture of someone over here. Like that's their arm and then their torso. But it's kind of just cool looking. I like it. We have ruby red roses with dewdrops on them. Close up. They got a close up. Kind of the same picture pretty much. We have some stones. Stones reflected in water. And we have some sheep. We're getting very close to the end. We have some sheep. They're so cute. Some beautiful sheep. There's a white one and the smaller brown one. Here's a close-up of this sheep. They're eating some hay, grass. I don't know. They're so cute. That is so cute. I love that. Ah, I love that. And there's some. I think this is probably one of my grandparents' house. I don't know. Some trees and a bird box and a bench. It's taken in 1998. Some lilies, white lilies. Looks like this was maybe in a greenhouse. There seems to be a structure encasing above them. This is pretty. Little fairy statue. There's some yellow flowers and a tiny shot glass. That's pretty. The fairy's holding something. I'm not sure what that is. It's pretty though. We have tiny red flowers. They look like they're on some type of fern, maybe. More sheep, but this time they're in a barn. Sheep, oh, and a goat. There's a goat right there. We have more icicle photos. Oh, they're so pretty. They were really eating up all these icicle photos. Is this another one? Yeah. There's all these. I really should do them one at a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is like a giant ice hand reaching out. That's kind of what it looks like to me. All of these were taken in 2000. Down shot of a trumpet flower, purple trumpet flower with dewdrops, more icicles. Oh, there's so many icicle photos. It's never ending. That's so cute. Well, the rest of them are just icicle photos. Icicle photos galore, for real. All of them taken the same day. Trying to get them all straightened out again. We did it. We looked through all of them. This was our first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little birds. These are wrens. 5, 6 actually. One in the corner. No, they're not wrens. Thank you for joining me. I have a whole box of these, so I might do more videos where I go through just different assortments of them. If I look through them all, I'll pull more out, but for now, thank you for watching, and I hope you found this relaxing, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye. Just a